That's so funny, dude. Up and up.
Oh, yeah. You hit my punching bag. Oh, you were hitting that.
Your speed bag, you mean?
Yeah. It's like boom, boom, boom every time you hit it.
I don't know why that's hilarious. Just like covering someone's windshield in Mountain Dew. Oh, I'm helping you. You're like, quick, get away, Pogo. I'm on my. Like it's his getaway vehicle. Quick, get to the getaway, Pogo. Oh man, this dude, my Uber driver, he would not stop talking about slavery and politics. Yeah, politics of slavery never ended. They just moved it, and now it's in the penal system.
What? Penal system?
Penal, not penile.
That was like, what?
The penile system. Penal.
What is this?
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
She keeps it. It's the dumbest toy in the world, dude.
Toothbrush what?
Merry Christmas!
Sir.
It's a toothbrush watch. Oh, thank you, sir.
That'll be $12.89. You can take your card.
Make sure the coffee's extra hot.
Oh, absolutely. Here's a receipt.
When he hands it to you, say, this is 3 shots of espresso, right? Okay. And then chug it really fast.
This is 3 shots of espresso, right? Are these cage-free eggs?
I'm sorry, what was that? The
Are
cage-free
these-
eggs? I'm not sure. I'd have to go and read in the back.
Could you? Thank you.
Absolutely.
Have a good day.
You too.
He's driving away. You want to drive, Elliot? Drive all the way home?
Hop in.
Nope.
Come on, it's fun back there. No one wants any candy.
He's mad because they ain't hopping in.
You're lost.
Oh my god, that is so hysterical, dude. Come on, losers. Let's go. That's really funny.
Wow. Perfect landing. I was hoping you weren't going to push my tooth off.
My wrist hurts from pushing you, dude.
Oh,
Ow.
man. Dude, I saw.
Dude, you gotta see this. It looks like a snail with like wings. I've never seen
It's a
that.
water bat.
It's a water bat.
It looks like it. That is so bizarre.
It's a hammerhead snail.
It's a hammerhead. Looks like a snail with wings. It's a hammerhead water bat snail. What on earth is that? We need Cole here so we can catch it.
Guys, comment the name of this animal.
Cole would pick it up and eat it like a Hot Pocket. Hey, Dad. Dad came down looking for you. Dad, our neighbor. He was like drooling. The fat guy. He's looking.
He's like drooling.
Looking for a quart of oil. Yeah. He was like. The way he responded, oh.
Why do you start off?
Hey, Dad, the drooling guy came by. The drool. What in the world? Hey.
What are you doing?
It's the off ramp, right?
That's an off ramp. That's a semi truck and trailer.
Okay,
This is a breakdown zone. There's a sign there bigger than your car. It says breakdown zone.
Oh, my bad. I got
Come on,
confused.
Man, really?
Oh my freaking god. It's a breakdown zone. Like since I was a little kid, I'd be like, dude, what if we drove up that? Kids these days with purses and sunglasses, they got the whole get up.
Yeah.
It's actually entertaining to me. Kids these days with the wrinkles on their face and, and their saggy boobs.
I never thought it'd be a thing. Oh, no, we can't.
I never thought it'd be a thing. Can we get a fish? Ah! Oh, you got one! He got it!
We'll put him back in there.
That is wonderful, dude.
I might have got my blanket.
Hey, for
Dude,
a
I
while,
almost couldn't
dude.
breathe because I was staying down there. And
I almost couldn't breathe because it was like I was in the water or
like
something.
I was underwater. I don't know.
Can I pet it?
Don't let it touch you.
Don't let it touch it. Oh. It touched you?
Dude, ow, bro.
You let it touch you. Go back in the elevator so it doesn't touch you.
I did not like that.
Dude, no.
Oh.
How'd that feel?
Awful. I feel
Good.
like a dog just tried to go past the electric fence barrier. Oh my god.
Dude, you can like feel it on your neck.
I know. Well, don't let it touch you. We told you not.
Dude, not this crap.
Put it to your ear.
Ow, dude.
And answer the phone.
Whoa. Alright, that's enough. That scared the out of me. You guys are assholes.
Oh no. I hate this game.
You're falling again, dude.
Dude, I don't like this. Dude, my neck.
Put it on, dude. There's more to it. Come on, put it on.
Alright, cool. I'm done.
No, hold on. One last thing, dude.
How many more one last things are there?
Oh, I'm over this. I can't do it.
You're almost done, dog.
I can't do this.
Dude, you're almost, you're almost done. Just don't let that guy touch you.
Can I punch him?
He might zap you with that thing. You know, look at that.
Oh no, no.
Look up.
I hate you.
Fly on top of one of the buildings.
Dude, my legs are shaking, dude.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, crap.
Oh, you can't land on the buildings. You gotta get off it.
Ow, the neck thing. I hate that. I can't land on it. Where do I go? Ah! Crap, dude. I'm done. Oh, no.
Did I get him?
Yeah, I think you did.
Oh no.
You beat it, dude. That was awesome. You beat it.
How'd I get it wrong?
I turned it all the way up on you, bro.
This thing, dude. Here, you got it. Let me run into everything and you wear it. Put it on. Put it on. No, I don't like this.
Hey.
It feels
No, dude. Shut up, dude.
For one, this thing was shocking my neck. I'm like, it like jolting.
Dude, did he shock you, Cole?
It's like literally a dog shock. That is awesome.
This is the top level shocking. I couldn't handle it on myself.
It's so intense.
But you just kept it on, like.
I literally
think
just thought,
everybody
like,
would took that off.
Cole did it. Like, I'm not gonna make him look like he's cooler than me.
So I freaking crank it up to 10. And then you keep it on.
Well, because Cole did it, I think. If Cole didn't do it, I don't think I would have believed it. Did you shock him?
No.
Did he know about it?
Yeah.
We were all in on.
So that
good.
whole thing with the whole dog and the electric fence thing.
Yeah.
You were right on.
You're right.
That was a good one. You were on, yeah.